north central Texas, southeastern Cooke County in north central Texas, southwestern central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Or 10 miles east of Sanger, moving northeast at 40. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sherman, Sanger, Whitesboro, Pilot Point, Aubrey, Collinsville, Millwood, Dorchester, Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Lake Kiowa, South Maid, Tioga, and Sadler. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.